Hi everyone. Do you have a client who wants to increase their capacity on their Rhino Intelliflex high voltage battery? Today I'm going to show you exactly the process that goes into adding a new module. As always, when doing maintenance on a battery, ensure it is disconnected from the inverter. Step 1 would be to pull out each module and the controller to completely remove power from the bus bars. Proceed to add the new modules to the system while leaving them disconnected. Then you can proceed to remove the side panel by using a T20 Torx bit. In this demonstration, we'll be using a drill to remove this panel. After the panel has been removed, we can move the L busbar. On the right, you'll be using a size 10 spanner and an 8mm socket. On the left, you'll be using a spanner and a 10mm socket. Put the nuts and bolts back from where you removed the L busbar. Then you will move the L busbar down to the module level you require and secure it in place. After this has been done, you will switch off both dip switches from where the busbar was and turn both dip switches on from where the busbar has been moved to. So always remember, the very last module that you insert is the only one whose dip switches are in the on position. Once you have adjusted the dip switches, you may secure the side panel back in place. Only after the side panel is closed are you allowed to slide the modules and controller back in place and start up the battery.